Okay guys, today on Tug's Garage we're going to be changing the oil in my 4.7 liter on my 04WJ. And we're reviewing a product I got that I've never used, which is Amazon Basics oil. So today we're going to be unboxing this Amazon Basics oil. I've never used before, but I've seen a lot of good reviews on. And they really take it shut. So we got high mileage, full synthetic 10W30. I know the 4.7 takes 5W30, but I like to use 10W30 in the summertime. I use 530 in the winter. So we'll try this new oil out and see how it does and let you know on the next oil change. Now he's pulling the oil filter. Oops. Missed. I'm replacing it with a Fran PH16. Always put a little oil on your seal here. Makes it spin easier. Tighten up easier. Just hand tighten them. Sometimes you need a rag if your hands got a little bit of oil on them. And try to wipe. I always try to wipe down that way if I can tell if I need got a leak or not. But in a future video, we'll be dropping this oil pan to replace the gasket because it's leaking. And I'll try to clean that oil pan up or get a new one. It's rusted pretty bad. Let's see if I can show you the rust. Yeah. See, it's flaking off pretty good. It needs to get replaced pretty bad. If you have a vehicle that has a smaller oil spout, take a utility knife, cut the top off, especially if you don't have a funnel. And then also this way you don't have to clean up the funnel. Cut the top off of it, stick it in there, there's your funnel. I'll show you. Show you how it works. Take the lid off. Poor man's funnel. That easy. This 4.7 takes 5.5 quarts. Here's the 6th quart, only 4.5 in. There's half. Then disposable funnel. Let's check the dipstick. Five and a half quarts. I typically grease the ball joints, tie rod ends, and all that stuff at this time, but I just did that a few weeks back because I had to replace my tie rod ends, and then in a future video I'll be replacing the drag lake ends, waiting on the passenger side drag lake end to get in. I already have the pitman arm. I'll be doing a review on those, found on Amazon, that they're a whole lot cheaper than Advance Auto, like big time, like 70% cheaper. Can't remember what part number it was, I'll have to look it up, but one of them was going to cost me $70 through Advance. I got it for under $25 on Amazon, and these are Moog tie rod ends and drag link ends. I'll be doing a future video on that, and I'll tell you a little more about it. But thanks for coming along with me today. I was just doing a simple oil change, and I wanted to try out this new Amazon oil, and I thought I'd share it with you. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Also forgot to add, don't forget to reset your service announcement. Oh, by the way, hint on the next future video. Anybody guess what I will be doing?